Beginners into millionaires. In recent years, the cryptocurrency market has undergone a meteoric rise, captivating the interest of seasoned investors and novices alike. Amidst this burgeoning ecosystem, a novel category of digital assets has surfaced: AI-driven crypto tokens. These tokens epitomize the fusion of artificial intelligence, AI technology, and decentralized finance, DeFi, presenting an enticing prospect of wealth generation in an ever-expanding digital landscape. Unlike traditional assets, AI crypto tokens leverage sophisticated algorithms to autonomously analyze market trends and execute trades, promising lucrative returns to those who dare to venture into this innovative space. This convergence of AI and DeFi represents a paradigm shift in the financial realm, democratizing access to wealth creation opportunities and reshaping the way we perceive and engage with financial assets in the digital age. As the cryptocurrency market continues to evolve, AI-driven crypto tokens stand at the forefront, beckoning investors to explore the boundless possibilities they offer for financial growth and prosperity. Number 5. The promise of AI in crypto trading. At the core of AI crypto tokens lies a complex network of sophisticated algorithms meticulously crafted to navigate the tumultuous waters of the cryptocurrency market. These algorithms serve as the beating heart of the system, empowered to scrutinize vast troves of market data with unparalleled speed and precision. Unlike their human counterparts, AI-powered systems possess the remarkable ability to process an immense volume of information in real time, enabling them to swiftly identify emerging trends, detect patterns, and execute trades with lightning speed. This agility is paramount in the fast-paced world of cryptocurrency trading, where even the slightest delay can mean the difference between profit and loss. Moreover, by virtue of their automated nature, AI systems are immune to the emotional biases and cognitive limitations that often afflict human traders, allowing for objective decision-making based solely on data-driven insights. Furthermore, these systems operate tirelessly around the clock, continuously monitoring market conditions and seizing opportunities as they arise, unfazed by the constraints of human fatigue or rest. It is this relentless pursuit of opportunity coupled with unwavering discipline that positions AI-powered crypto tokens at the forefront of modern financial innovation, offering the tantalizing prospect of high returns and reduced risk for investors daring enough to embrace the future. Number 4. Accessible to beginners. The accessibility of AI crypto tokens to beginners signifies a remarkable evolution in the landscape of trading and investing, breaking down long-standing barriers that have historically hindered entry into these realms. Traditionally, engaging in trading and investing necessitated a profound comprehension of market intricacies, technical terminology, and often substantial capital reserves, effectively excluding many prospective investors. However, the advent of AI-driven platforms has revolutionized this landscape by prioritizing user-friendly interfaces and automating trading processes. These platforms employ intuitive design principles and streamlined functionalities, simplifying the investment process and rendering it comprehensible even to individuals with limited prior knowledge of cryptocurrency markets. Through the automation of trading tasks and the elimination of complex decision-making, beginners can navigate the intricacies of trading with relative ease. By obviating the need for extensive expertise, AI crypto tokens have effectively democratized access to investment opportunities, extending the invitation to participate actively in the cryptocurrency market to a broader demographic. This democratization of access has the potential to unlock significant financial opportunities for individuals who may have previously felt excluded or intimidated by traditional investment avenues, fostering inclusivity and empowerment in the digital age. Overall, the accessibility afforded by AI-driven platforms represents a transformative step towards leveling the playing field and democratizing financial opportunities, empowering individuals to seize control of their financial futures. Number 3. Redefining passive income. The appeal of AI crypto tokens to investors extends far beyond the potential for financial gains, as it offers a multifaceted allure, prominently featuring the promise of passive income generation. Unlike conventional investments that often necessitate continuous monitoring and active management, AI crypto tokens introduce avenues for investors to earn rewards effortlessly through various mechanisms such as staking or simply holding tokens in their wallets. Staking, a common practice in the cryptocurrency space, involves locking up a certain amount of tokens in a network to support its operations and validate transactions. In return for their contribution, investors receive additional tokens as rewards, thereby incentivizing participation and bolstering the network's security and functionality. This process not only facilitates passive income generation, but also fosters a symbiotic relationship between investors and the underlying blockchain network. Moreover, some AI crypto tokens allocate a portion of their trading profits to token holders in the form of yields, further augmenting the potential for passive income. This dual mechanism of staking rewards and yield distributions entices investors with the prospect of earning money without the need for active trading or portfolio management, resonating strongly with those seeking financial freedom and independence. The allure of passive income streams, coupled with the potential for substantial capital appreciation as the value of tokens appreciates over time, has captivated the imagination of thousands of investors, propelling them towards AI crypto tokens as a means to secure their financial futures amidst an increasingly uncertain economic landscape. Number 2. Risks and considerations. The allure of potentially attaining millionaire status through AI crypto tokens indeed presents a compelling opportunity for investors, yet it's imperative for them to approach this prospect with a discerning perspective that recognizes the accompanying risks. The cryptocurrency market, renowned for its extreme volatility, presents a formidable challenge to investors as rapid and unpredictable price fluctuations can result in significant gains or losses within remarkably brief timeframes. Furthermore, regulatory uncertainties exacerbate the intricacy of the market as alterations in government policies or legal frameworks can profoundly impact the value and viability of crypto assets. Additionally, while AI algorithms boast advanced capabilities in analyzing market data and executing trades, they remain fallible and may falter anticipating or responding to unforeseen market events. Consequently, investors must exercise prudence by conducting meticulous research, diversifying their investment portfolios to mitigate risk, and allocating funds within their financial means. By embracing a cautious approach and maintaining awareness of potential pitfalls, investors can navigate the volatile terrain of AI crypto tokens more adeptly, thereby making informed decisions to safeguard their financial interests and uphold their long-term financial well-being. Number 1. The future of finance. The emergence of AI crypto tokens represents a significant milestone in the evolution of the financial landscape, signaling the potential for technology to democratize wealth creation on a global scale. By integrating artificial intelligence, AI, and blockchain technology, these tokens signify a paradigm shift that challenges traditional investment norms and fosters financial inclusivity. Through the utilization of AI algorithms to analyze market data and execute trades autonomously, coupled with the transparency and security inherent in blockchain technology, AI crypto tokens offer a compelling vision of a future where financial opportunities are accessible to individuals worldwide, regardless of their geographical location or socioeconomic status. This democratization of access to investment opportunities holds the potential to level the playing field and empower individuals who may have previously been excluded from traditional financial markets. Despite the uncertainties inherent in the journey towards achieving millionaire status through AI crypto tokens, such as market volatility and regulatory challenges, the pursuit embodies the spirit of innovation and exploration driving the cryptocurrency revolution. As investors navigate this dynamic landscape, they play a vital role in the ongoing transformation of the global economy, paving the way for a more inclusive and equitable financial ecosystem characterized by technological innovation and the democratization of wealth. Conclusion: the appeal of AI crypto tokens as a means to elevate beginners into the realm of millionaires highlights the transformative power of technology in reshaping our financial landscapes. These tokens serve as tangible symbols of opportunity in the ever-evolving cryptocurrency market, inviting newcomers to embark on a journey towards financial prosperity and empowerment. However, while the potential rewards are enticing, it's crucial to approach investment in AI crypto tokens with diligence, prudence, and adaptability. The cryptocurrency market is notoriously volatile, subject to rapid fluctuations and regulatory uncertainties, making it imperative for investors to stay informed and vigilant. Success in navigating this landscape hinges on a willingness to continually learn, adapt strategies, and exercise caution in the face of uncertainty. By embracing these principles, investors can harness the potential of AI crypto tokens as vehicles for financial growth while mitigating the associated risks, ultimately paving the way towards a more secure and prosperous financial future. For more insightful discussions on AI crypto tokens and navigating the complexities of the cryptocurrency market, subscribe to our YouTube channel today. Stay informed, empowered, and on the path to financial success with our expert analysis and tips. Don't miss out on the latest updates. Join our community and embark on your journey towards financial freedom now.